How to know if your PC is hacked in 1 minute. Basically, there are 4 most important steps and I'll show you all of them in this video. Follow each step carefully. Let's get started. First, search for Windows Security and open it. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Next, click Scan Options. Select Full Scan. Then scroll down and click Scan Now. If any threats are found, Microsoft Defender will automatically remove or quarantine them. For the next step, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type netplowiz and click OK. In the User Accounts window, check the list of users. If you see an unknown account that you didn't create, select it and click Remove. Next, search for Settings and open it. Go to Installed Apps. If you find any program you don't recognize, verify it online or uninstall it if it's not needed. For the final step, sign in to your important accounts, such as Google, Microsoft, or Facebook. In your Google account, click Manage your Google account. Go to the Security tab on the left. Under your devices, click Manage all devices. If you see an unknown device or location, sign it out immediately. After that, change your password and make sure to enable 2-step verification. Still got a problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.